See, when we talk, don't rush it. We let the words breathe, the sounds vibe. That's how you make people feel what you say. What's up, y'all? My name is King. I'm a dialect coach teaching African American Vernacular English. I'm gonna break down about 5 steps for y'all. You good with it? Let's do it.
Hello.
Bonjour.
안녕하세요.
Hola.
Kale. Namaste.
We are Language Academia.
Please remember the accents for film and TV are often generalized and simplified. Step 1, consonant clusters. One of the most recognizable traits of AAVE is the final sound of the consonant. Sometimes it's softened, sometimes it's dropped. For example, friend, friend. Didn't, didn't. Talking, talking. I've been working hard all morning trying to get the floor swept and the room to look right. I've been working hard all morning trying to get the floor swept and the room to look right. Step 2, soften the R's. One of the key features in AAV is how the R's soften or sometimes drop. Kind of like the New York accent. For example, never, never. Before, before. Water, water. Robert has been working really hard, but he's barely getting paid for all that effort. Robert been working like really hard, but he ain't getting paid for all that effort. Step 3, stretch the vowels. In this accent, there is a little bit of a southern drawl here. The vowels are usually more stretched out, richer, and expressive than the general American speech. This creates a smooth musical quality in the accent and making it instantly recognizable. For example, man, man, time, time. Man, it was so cold outside, I didn't even want to move from my seat. Yo, that food was bad good. I might want to go order some tomorrow. Step 4, amending to be. In this accent, when speaking casually, to be often gets amended. For example, she is nice. She nice. They are working. They working. We are tired. We tired. Another version, they are often late. They be late, bruh. She usually sings in church. She be singing in church. When I said she usually sings in church, if you hear someone that sings really good, you say, she be singing in church. Step 5, intonation. This accent has an inconsistent nature with intonation. It will wildly depend on your character background. For example, are you going out? You going out? Is she there right now? She there right now? Where are you going? Where are you going? Why would she say that? Why'd she say that? I ain't gonna lie, bro. As soon as that beat dropped, everybody was dancing. Don't play with me today. I done worked all week. I ain't got no energy and none for this nonsense that you talking right now. I was chilling at the crib, minding my business, and then boom, like this drama just showed up like someone called for it. I ain't called for it. Thank you for joining Language Academia. Let me know in the comments below what accent you would like me to do next. We'll see you soon.